Hello friends! Just thought I'd give you a little update about the aftermath of Open Studios. Overall, the weekend was very positive. I had about probably over 70 people come through over the weekend. Thankfully, my wife was helping me take care of things. We had a pretty steady stream of people come in, but thankfully not too many at once. I had a lot of positive feedback about my work, including some helpful tips and advice from a few fellow artists. I sold several pieces, which is great. I'll be able to reinvest some of that money into buying some tools and some wood for future projects. Speaking of future projects, my wife bought this rotary tool. She brought it home for me to try. I'm certainly going to use this in future projects. In fact, I bought a set of wood carving bits specifically for this thing. Looking forward to giving that a try. I had a lot of comments about how clean and tidy my shop was. In fact, one guy even said, "Where's your shop?" And I said, "Well, this is it." I said, "What? No. It's so clean, it's too tidy." So that was kind of funny. Well, I spent an entire day cleaning it, so I hope it's clean. Just don't look on the top shelves. Interesting anecdote from Open Studios. I used walnut loops as my thumbnail, and I felt this photo had really good silhouette. And actually several people came and said, "Where is this sculpture?" They came specifically for the sculpture. It goes to show you how important a good thumbnail is. If I had 5 of these made, I could have sold them all. So I know what I'm working on this week. Overall, it was a very positive weekend. So where do I go from here? Well, I think I'd like to just continue building up my body of work, possibly approach some galleries to maybe show and sell my work. I feel like I still need a few more pieces, especially considering I sold several of them. Another thing I had to do is fix mystery loops. I accidentally knocked this off the wall and broke it. This will be the second time I repair this one, actually. I gotta stop breaking stuff. Going by my feedback from Open Studios and the analytics from my YouTube videos, there seems to be a lot more interest in my sculptural work. I almost forgot to mention my credit card reader situation. I borrowed the PayPal version from a friend of mine, and she graciously loaned it to me for the weekend after I pretty much begged her. So she saved me, and I'm sure I would not have made as many sales as I did without that credit card reader. So make sure if you're going to try to sell some of your work to have a credit card reader. Interestingly enough, I got an email from PayPal on Monday saying, "The one we sent you is defective. We're going to send you another one. Send the other one back." I had to call them and say, "Look, FedEx lost my shipment. I don't have it." So they said as long as I can provide documentation of that, I'll pretty much get my card reader for free. That is, if FedEx reimburses me for the shipment. So that was an interesting and unexpected twist. So going forward, I think I'm gonna concentrate on the sculptural work, just explore that more, do some carving. I hope you'll stick around, and if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. See you soon in Cammy's Garage.